Hello everyone, welcome to Data Analyst Lab. In today's project, we are going to build a complete Power BI dashboard called Smartphone Specification Analysis. In this project, we will analyze smartphone prices, ratings, battery performance, camera specifications, and features using real-world data. If you are learning data analysis and business intelligence, this channel is for you. Let's start today's analysis. The, dat- the dataset consists 968 rows and 27 columns. Each row represents a specific smartphone model with its associated technical specifications and market price. The data was collected from various mobile comparison and e-commerce website. It has been cleaned to handle missing values, standardized for easy analysis, but this this data sets has no missing value, not null value. Every column and every rows full data. We know the smartphone market is one of the most dynamic, fact, fast-paced industries in the world, with new models launching almost every week. Keeping track of hardware trends, pricing strategies, performance benchmark is a challenge for enthusiasts and data scientists alike. This dataset provides a comprehensive snapshot of the modern smartphone landscape, containing detailed specifications for nearly thousands unique smartphone models. It is designed to help researchers, analysts, and machine learning practitioners explore the relationship between hardware specifications and brand value, and also consumer pricing. So with this, we come to quick Power BI dashboard. Open the blank report. First, we load the data and in Power Query editor, and first cleaning. Then we will visualize the dataset. And also, in this data visualization, some dataset visualization question we can get that from datasets. What is the average smartphone price, brand model? How does price impact customer rating? Distribution of smartphones by network type 4G or 5G, camera performance price, operating system performance analysis, feature availability comparison, price range analysis, value for money smartphones. I will discuss one by one each and every questions. First, load the data. Not the smartphone data. Open it. I can't load, but I load the transform data. It's go directly to Power Query editor. Here is the data, but we see uh, price column is much error value show. I will fix it. Right click on column, remove errors. Here the error is gone. Then check all other data column. Here is one more error column showing. Now I will fix this and remove errors. No more column or error value found. Here is the battery milliampere column. It show is a number or an is a letter, but I will define is a number. I will fix it. It's a decimal number, and then we go remove errors. Okay. Here is another problem. Decimal number. Then we go remove errors. Okay, the data is clean, and load the data in Power BI, Power Query Editor. Here is the data loading properly. I will discuss every visualization one by one. First, what is the average smartphone price by brand or model? Our first visualization shows the average price of smartphones by brand or model. It is understand which brand focus on budget, mid-range, or premium smartphones. So let's go the DAX measure. Here the DAX measure. Name it average price and take the smartphone data price column value, load it. We take the column or bar chart. First, I will the canvas setting. With 1320, middle vertical alignment. Now it's look better. First, I will take model, brand or model. The question is average price analysis, brand or model. Then x-axis average price. Here is the value, but I will take the model top 5 model, then average price, apply filter. Here the data is show properly. I click on data table label on and data value show it properly. Okay, next question. How does Prime impact customer rating? We are analyzing the relationship between price and customer rating. This scatter chart help us identify value for smartphone which have high ratings at lower prices. Now we create a text measure, name it average rating. Average smartphone ratings. Here is question is how does price impact customer rating? Then I will take the scatter chart. Sorry, here is average rating. And I will take value the model, but it will not clearly proper clearly. So I will take the column chart or line chart. Average rating to drag it, average rating, and model is yes here. Here is the value. Well, I will go the filters option, a model top 3, and take it average rating, drag it, and apply filter. Here is the data set. Here is no customer table, so I will take the value customer OS version, or it's not a necessary chart. It's a card. I will take the card options. Here is average rating. What is the average rating? Control C, Control V, take it, and the price. You take the price value. Here is price value 2 million. Next question, distribution of smartphone by network type 4G or 5G. I'll go the data, create a new measure. Total smartphones. Name. Now I am take a count. Smartphone model. Here is SIM type. I take the pie chart. I take the SIM type. Here is and total smartphone. Here is value. Not take the legend. You will take donut chart. It look better or pie chart. But I choose the donut chart. It look much better. Next, top 10 smartphones by battery capacity. So I will go the data, create a new measure. Extra measure creates, so I will delete from the model. So question number 4 says top the distribution smartphone by network type 4G and 5G is already done, and top 10 smartphone by battery capacity. So I will take the new measure, name average battery capacity. average smartphone battery. Take a bar chart. Take a model y-axis and x-axis. We take the average battery capacity measure value, drag and drop. We go filter top three value. I will show here is now you are looking the top smartphone by battery capacity. Battery performance is very important for gaming users or heavy user, and this chart highlight the best option. Question number 5, relationship between RAM and price. I take a new measure and measure name it average uh, price by RAM. Average smartphone price. Relationship RAM and price. Uh, it is a higher RAM significantly increase, the price already increased. We are analyze the chart show how RAM size affects smartphone price. As RAM increase, we generally see an increase in price, which reflects the hardware-based pricing strategy. Now we find the RAM. Here is RAM GB. I will take the line chart. And take the price value and take x-axis the model will take. I go the filter option. I will show the top three value. Average price RAM. Here is or average price. But I will take the average price of RAM. The data level on, the option is above. Value call display unit is 1000. Here is the chart. RAM versus price. Next, question number 6, camera performance by price. We go create a new measure, name it average camera megapixel. We take the this column, we take the chart for showing camera megapixel versus price. Average camera pixel, drag it x-axis and drop, and average price of camera. We found the camera options in my dataset. Here is, and drag the model values. Here is the data, but again I will go the filter option, top value I will show you. Or line chart or scatter chart. Here we analyze the relationship between camera megapixel and price. This chart help us check whether high resolution cameras are only available in premium smartphone. Operating system. Next question: operating system performance and preference analysis. This visualization shows the market share of operating system. It clearly highlights which OS dominate the smartphone market. So I create the new measure OS model count. Take count smartphone time smartphone model column. Take the pie chart or donut chart. For operating system column, we found the operating system is here is port type. Or take it OS. But it value like little messy. It will be better for acceleration. Go to the slice of I will convert the donut chart. This look much better. will be better look. The value level or small little bit decrease. Okay. So here is the seventh chart. Now we create extra page for because there is not enough space on this page. So we create another page. Rename it dashboard 2 and page 1 rename dashboard 1. Question number 8 says feature availability comparison like Volti, NFC, IR Blaster. In this chart, we are comparing the feature availability such as NFC, Volti, IR Blaster. It identify which features are common and which features are premium. So we create one by one Volti count, IFC count, or IR Blaster count, NFC count. Here is the data set and the Volti, NFC, IR Blaster. Every column is Boolean value, true, false, true, false. So we're going to Power BI dashboard 2 and create new measure. Volti, bold, yes, count. Calculate count rows, smartphone data, we have found smartphone data Volti, column data, take 2, just copy it, create another dash measure, hold no count. Here is false. Same as well, create NFC and IR Blaster. Create new measure. IFC, exact, sorry, NFC, new measure, NFC no count. Next, create IR cluster. To create measure cluster no count. False. Then we create chart for this visual overall comparison. Hold NFC and IR cluster. We take a cluster column chart, take hold, take NFC, take IR cluster, middle push, and y-axis NFC is yes count, NFC Y count. Here we see the value we found one by one. Next, hold ESC, hold no count. I have lost yes count. I lost the no count. Here is the total value we found. Go to the data level on. We easily seen the which advanced features are most commonly available. Here is the value we found which features available is red portion is volts count, NFC count, NFC no count, volt no count, and true and false is defined. So visual is clear. Then we go to question number 9, price range analysis. Now let's move to our next visualization, which is price range analysis. In this chart, we have divided smartphone into three categories: budget wise, mid range, budget, premium range, and premium and mid range. This visualization help us understand how two smartphone are distributed across different price segments. For a business point of view, this is very useful for identifying which price range has the highest number of models and where manufacturers are focusing the most. Now we create a calculated column. Name it price range. I used to switch function. Taken this price smartphone data price table. Some smartphone data price less than 15,000, so it's called budget. Next, copy it, paste. This is called 30,000. Called medium range price or premium range price. Next, we created a new measure, price range count. Sorry. Then go to visualization, simple stack column chart. I take the price range x-axis and price range from y-axis. Here go to the format for visualization, data level on. Here the clearly show the price range found different price segment, medium range, budget range and premium range. Next and last question is value for money smartphones. Which smartphone provide high ratings and lower prices at lower prices? We take line chart to find out rating. We found price, secondary y-axis and model. Take it the model. Go to the filter option. We take the top value, basis of rating. Take it rating, apply filter. Here to show, sorry, is in the clearly the visuals. Or take it line chart. We take the lines, go to the marker section on, data level on, there is some rating dotted and price range not dotted. We here's the value, we clear seeing this value. We take clearly visual the sum of rating and sum of price. And rating sum of price. And it's called minimum. And here is the question, the lower price. So we take it the minimum value. Here is we found the minimum value. Here is dashboard 1 and here is dashboard 2. First of all, we go the visualization pen. Go to the general option, background off, visual border, round corner 30. So the legend top center, grid line off, vertical grid line not dotted is solid, look it better. Same general option, background this chart and visual border on 30. Y-axis grid line off, same border off and same as it is the legend top center. The price range count by versus price top price budget range, medium range chart table. We go to the column option, layout, this look much better. Then we go to dashboard 1 and one by one every chart I change the font and color also. First, average price by model, title center, x-axis title of, value, thousands. Go to the y-axis, Go to the data level, value, thousands. This look much better. Then KPI card, rating. Then we go the third, the smartphone type, SIM type, title. Okay, look much better. Same as average battery capacity. Go to the visual, y-axis, title of, then x-axis, title of, value, then go to the data level, value, okay, average price by RAM per model, x-axis, title of, y-axis, title of, value not millions, thousands. Go to the data level, value, color change, font change, camera megapixel and average price of model. We go the y-axis, title of, value, font change, this chart only grid lines horizontally on and vertically on, not dotted, is solid, not solid, dotted, dash, this must look better. Same vertically is dash. Better. Value is the title of, values. Okay. This chart, title, font, center, and this chart also title center. Then we go OS, operating system model count by code type. Then we go to the data level, values, center, the rotation as we control whole here fully show the data. Then we go to dashboard 2. Same, go to the x-axis, title of, go to the y-axis, title of, go to the value, legend option okay is okay, but text here is title must be center. And also data level value. Okay, look much better. Then go to the price range, count by price, minimal price, medium range, budget range, premium range. Then go to the x-axis, title of, then go to the y-axis, then go to the data level, value, general option, title, and it is called title is center. Same, minimum price of model by rating, black color, title of, values, secondary y-axis, not value 1000, we taken thousands. Then go to the general option, title by center. Okay, go to the visual, y-axis, the value of, not value of, it's called minimum price range. The title of, it's okay. Here is the full visualization, dashboard 1 and dashboard 2, and we create a heading, go to the shape, change the shape style. Actually, black color is pretty look good, or red, dark blue. This looks good. Go to that border option, close. Name it. Font size. Here is the smartphone specification and this is dashboard heading created successfully. Now the better visualization, I add some icons. It looks pretty good. Go to the image. I already download these icons. Take it one by one. Ctrl C, Ctrl V to copy it, change the icon. Take it another icon. Tick it another icon. Go to the dashboard to create or import same icon. And last, take it to one. Here is the dashboard 1 and dashboard 2, fully dynamic. So with this, we come to end of our smartphone specification analysis using by Power BI. In this project, we analyze smartphone prices, ratings, battery performance, camera specifications, and feature availability, and converted raw data into meaningful business insight. This project shows how Power BI can be used to make data-driven decisions in real-world scenarios. Through this project, you how learn how to clean data, create calculated columns, write dash measure, and build interactive visualization in Power BI. And this is exactly the skills required for data analyst real project. If you understand this project into end, you are already thinking like a data analyst, not just learning tools. If this project help you, please like video, subscribe to Data Analyst Lab, and share it with your friends who are learning data analysis. And your support really motivates me to create more real-world Power BI and data analytics projects. In the next video, we will build another real-world project where we will go deeper into advanced features. So stay connected with Data Analyst Lab. Thank you for watching. See you in the next project.